Hello everyone, welcome back to Grow Cloud Skills. In today's video, we are going to see what is value set in Oracle Fusion HCM. So let's get started now. So a value set is a configuration object that defines what values are allowed for a particular field, or in many cases, it is like how users should pick those values from a list of values. In practice, value sets are one of the most important tools for the data integrity, data quality, because they standardize the entries. For example, you have to enter your country. Let's say someone will enter like US, someone will enter like America, someone will enter United States of America. So instead of having different values, one can define the value set and just simply say America or US in the value set and then enable that particular value set for the entry field. So the user will be able to select value from that particular list of values. So that is what the concept of value set is. Value sets are used broadly across the Oracle Fusion HCM modules and other modules as well. Basically, the value sets are used mostly for the flex builds like DFFs, EFFs, then KFFs, etc. The value sets are also used in fast formulas. When you don't have a DBI for any specific item, you can define the query or a value set which is a table type value set, and from that value set you can fetch the DBI or the required values which you want to use in your FF. Also, the value sets are used in HM extracts as well. So why value set matters beyond the drop down list? So well designed value sets can improve more than just the user experience, the data integrity. So only valid values can be entered into the particular field or the columns. Consistent reporting and analytics. So standardized values reduces the cleansing work during your next reporting part and analytics activities. Process consistency. So the downstream workflows like the approvals, eligibility rules, any accruals or anything where you want to have a specific value. So those values can be maintained at the value sets. Again, value sets allows you to have the control access, that is the security. So limited users can edit or change those values from the value sets. Now we are going to see where and how to create the value sets. So you can see I'm on the screen now. You can go to your profile icon, then go to setup and maintenance. Then click on search here and search here for manage value sets. You will see this task here, manage value set. Just click it and it will open you the manage value sets page. Okay, so now we are on the screen to create the value sets. So here you can see these boxes are used to search the value sets. Below you can see the plus icon. Here if you click on this plus icon, it will allow you to create the new value set. So now in the create value set, you define your value set code. Let's say I am giving the name as GCS LE name. So basically what I need is I need the legal entity names for some so what I need is I need the legal entity names here. I will give some description as legal entity name. Now the module is something like for which module we are going to use this particular lookup. I will search for global HR, global human resource. You search for global human, you will get the application as global human resource. Now the validation type is a kind of table, since I am selecting the values from the backend tables. So this is the query which I want to so this is the query which I am going to use for creating this table type of values. So I basically need the legal entity names from this particular table, CST legal entities V table. So the validation types I will be giving as the table type. Based on the validation type, the next values will appear. For example, if I am choosing independent one, the values gets changed. So let's go for table one. Now the data type. So since then this is a name, so output will be in the character format. Now below you can see the security one. You can enable the security so that only the selected users will be able to edit or change or add the values in this particular value set. This is basically a role based security. And now in the from clause I will enter this table name. This is my from clause, then I need the value name, value column. So that value column is my legal entity name. So this is a table, so this is a column name from the table. Again I need to enter the ID column as well. And in the where clause, since I don't need anything, I simply need the legal entity name from this CST legal entities v table. So I need not to I don't have to enter anything in the where clause, or simply I can just say like 1 equal to 1, or it is even not required as well. Even the order by is also not required, and simply click on the save. Yes, your value set is created. Here if you search for GCS LE, you will see the value set that we just defined is already created. If you click on edit, you will be able to edit it now. This is how the value set is created. So that's it in today's video. If you like this, if you get something from this video, just do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys.